Hey guys, I've got another install video for you today on the FRS BRZ86, and it's going to be your cabin air filter. So for this install, it's pretty easy, requires no tools, maybe just a light so you can see a little better, and your cabin air filter to replace it with. So you're just going to want to hop in the passenger seat. I'm going to put you down here. And let's get to it. So it's pretty easy. Only takes a couple steps. The first one is opening your glove box. Take everything out if you have anything in it. And the next step is going to be pushing in on the middle of the glove box on the walls. There's two little things that stick out like this, and when you press on the walls it pushes in like this and it will fall down. I'll show it to you once we have it outside the car since it's a little dark in there. But here we go. I'm going to push on the sides. Don't be gentle, it's pretty strong plastic. And as you can see, this tab right here falls right out. Pretty easy. So the next step is you're going to take this little peg from the right side, and it's connected to another little peg, and you can just pop it off so it's loose, and that will allow you to take off your entire glove box. So I'll show you these little pins here. Just one on each side, one there, one over there, and that's what's holding the whole thing in. And then you are going to want to take this little white box in here. There's going to be a tab on this side that you just squeeze in and pull towards you. And there's one on the other side too. And once you pop those two little clips off, it'll just pop right off. There you go. And inside of this white box is your filter. So I'm going to slide this out here. This is very dirty, as you can see. I'll show you the new one in a second. It's got, oh man, all types of stuff in there. So this should be replaced every 15,000 miles or so. I can't tell you the last time this has been done on my car, but here is the new one. Perfectly white, nice and clean. And so all you have to do when installing it, there is a little up arrow, as you can see, so you'll just keep that side up and you will slide it right back in to where the other one came from. And there you have it. Make sure it's all the way flush to the back on both sides. And now you can go ahead and install this plastic piece again, which will just clip in on each side. Sorry, it's a little difficult to do with one hand, but we'll get through it. And just push it in, wiggle it around a little bit, make sure it's not going anywhere. And now you'll be able to put the glove box back in. So on the back of the glove box there are two little prongs which go to these two little prongs over here. Not sure how well you can see them. There you go. These two prongs. So what I like to do is attach those first. And then let's get this light around here, and once those little guys are popped in on either side, you're going to want to first do that peg from the right side over the peg that it came off of, and now you're just going to use a little bit of force to push it in, and there you go. Pretty easy install. It'll help you save a couple bucks from the dealer. They'll probably charge you more for the filter and more to do it than the time it takes you to do yourself. So pretty easy, nice and shut. And now your AC, your heat will all smell nice and fresh. Unlike this filter I have here, which as you can see is practically as dark as night here. There's so many different pieces of leaves and just filled with pollen. So you can see all that stuff shaking out. So pretty quick, easy. Oh yeah. Install, you're definitely going to want to do it, especially in the winter or summer, so that you can breathe freely inside the cabin. So, if you like the video, make sure to check out the channel, subscribe. We've got a ton of other DIY maintenance for the 8.6, so make sure to check it out. Alright, we'll catch you in the next video.